Welcome to the Introduction to Android Phone, Part 3 of 5 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video includes contacts, add, edit, and delete, text send, view, and delete, internet, email, ringtones, wallpaper. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. Maximize or Restore Down button becomes a single square. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen and the button is a double square. You can adjust the width and height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from the normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red and blue for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top, blue arrow, and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Word on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open a second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scrolling sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on the computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Contacts. 1. To add a new contact, home screen, tap Contacts. 2. Tap the orange plus sign icon. 3. Tap Phone, then tap Select. 4. Enter information, tap Save. Edit Contacts. 1. Home screen and tap Contacts. 2. Tap the contact's name. 3. Tap Edit. 4. Edit information, tap Save. Delete contact. 1. Home screen and contacts. 2. Touch and hold the contact's name to select. 3. Tap Delete. You may be asked to tap Delete again to confirm. Send text message. 1. Home screen. Tap the blue message icon. 2. Enter the name in the recipient field. Type message. Or 3. Tap contacts icon and the contact list is displayed. 4. tap the send icon. View messages. 1. Home screen, go to messages. 2. Scroll through the messages by swiping up or down. More options, 3 dots, which brings up edit, mark all as read, starred messages, and settings. Delete messages. 1. Home screen, tap messages. 2. Tap the 3 dots, more options. 3. Select edit. 4. Tap delete and confirm. Internet. Tap the internet icon. It will open to the Samsung Internet or tap Google. The first time you use Samsung Internet, you have to agree to the terms. Tap the address field, enter web address, and then tap Go on the keyboard. Set up email. Tap email icon, select mail server. Tap the plus sign, add a new account. After tapping the plus sign, this box will open. Tap Create Account. Follow the prompts to create a new account and write down the password somewhere. Ringtones. 1. Home screen. May have to swipe up to get to the next screen. Tap Settings. 2. Tap Sounds and Vibrations. Tap a ringtone to listen to it, and select ringtone. 3. After selection, press the home key. Wallpaper. 1. Home screen, tap Settings, and 2. Scroll down to and tap Wallpaper and Themes. Scroll through the images and tap to select. This concludes the Android phone Part 3. Thank you for joining us for Part 3. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 4 and 5 of Android phones. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.